Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're tackling a home renovation or stripping old paint from furniture and walls, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best heat guns for paint removal, each chosen for their temperature control, safety features, durability, and overall performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. Wagner Spraytech HT1000 Heat Gun. Kicking things off, we've got the Wagner Spraytech HT1000, and it nails what a weekend warrior needs. Picture this, you're juggling tasks that need a gentle touch or real firepower. This gun nails both with its dual temperature settings, 750 degrees on low and 1000 degrees on high. That range lets you ease paint off delicate antiques without damage, then crank it up to tear through stubborn layers on windows or trim. Those 2 fan speeds are like finesse controls, giving you just the right airflow so you're not blasting heat all over the place during precision work. It warms up fast and keeps heat steady. Design-wise, it's smart and safe. Ever scrambled to set down a scorching hot tool? This one's got a built-in stand that props it up safely, nozzle angled away. The side hook is perfect for hanging it mid-project or for tidy storage. Lightweight and ergonomic, it fits comfortably in your palm and reduces fatigue. If you're new to heat guns or just want a no-fuss tool that works every time, the Wagner HT1000 is a rock-solid, dependable pick that punches above its price. Number 2. DEWALT D26960K Heat Gun. If you're the kind of DIYer who demands precision, the DEWALT D26960K is your ace in the hole. The standout feature here is its LCD display, letting you dial in exact temperatures. No guesswork, no risk of frying delicate materials. Perfect for stripping paint while keeping the surface underneath pristine. It offers a wide range of fine increments, which really matters when you're moving between old varnish, latex layers, and sensitive inlays on the same piece. Built for the long haul, it includes overload protection that automatically shuts it down if it overheats, saving both the tool and your project. The construction is as tough as you'd expect from DEWALT, durable, reliable, and ready for daily grind. Comfort's dialed in too. The handle fits naturally, the balance feels right, and you can work for hours without wrist strain. Little details like the reinforced cord guard and steady stand show that this gun was designed by pros for pros. Number 3. Porter Cable PC1500HG. The Porter Cable PC1500HG stands out as a powerful, dependable, and easy-to-handle heat gun designed for both professional and home use. With its 1500-watt heating element, this model delivers strong, consistent heat output, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks such as paint stripping, shrink wrapping, bending plastic, loosening rusted bolts, or even thawing frozen pipes. One of the most appreciated features of this heat gun is its variable temperature control dial, which allows precise adjustment of heat levels depending on the project requirements. Whether you need gentle warmth for delicate materials or high heat for heavy-duty jobs, the PC1500HG gives you the control to fine-tune your work. The dual fan speed selector offers 2 airflow settings, high and low, allowing flexibility in how heat is distributed. This feature enhances control and safety when working with different materials, ensuring that heat-sensitive surfaces are not damaged. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 1350W Heat Gun. Then there's the BLACK+DECKER 1350W, a tough, straightforward workhorse that just performs. No fancy LCDs or digital frills, just pure, dependable heat. It's got 2 settings, 750 degrees F for lighter touch-ups and 1000 degrees F for the heavy stuff. That's perfect for softening paint, loosening adhesives, or freeing up stuck screws. Compact and lightweight, it slips easily into tight corners or overhead spaces, making awkward angles no big deal. You can work for long stretches without your arm feeling like it's run a marathon. Safety's covered too. The sturdy stand keeps it steady for cooldowns, and the 3-position side handle adds stability and comfort, whether you're working vertically on doors or horizontally on floors. Since it's corded, you get uninterrupted power, no batteries to charge or die halfway through a session. It's the kind of no-nonsense, value-packed performer that's perfect for home renovators who want reliability and results without breaking the bank. Number 5. SEEKONE 1800W Heavy-Duty Heat Gun. Finally, capping the list is the SEEKONE 1800W Heavy-Duty Heat Gun, a beast built for serious power users. Its high-performance motor rockets to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, giving you unmatched intensity for tough paint jobs or industrial-level work. You get full temperature control and 2 airflow modes, letting you choose between delicate precision and full throttle power. The overheat protection keeps everything running safely, while the ergonomic handle keeps that muscle manageable. There's real finesse available here. Start at lower temps to soften layers, then ramp up as the material responds, avoiding scorch marks and saving finish underneath. And here's where it really earns its keep: the 4-piece nozzle kit. Each nozzle tailors airflow for specific jobs: concentrated blasts for detail work, wide spreads for large surfaces, or deflectors for edges. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best heat guns for paint removal. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on tools, tech, and DIY gear. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.